Good morning, students. The next article is JJ coupling. We have already seen in LS coupling, SS coupling, and third one is JJ coupling. In this type of coupling, S1 star of one electron is quantized with its own L1 star, and to form a resultant J1 star. S1 star is quantized with L1 star to form a J1 star, and it takes half integral value. S1 star quantized with L1 star and to form a J1 star. Value is half integral value. Okay. Similarly for S2 star is quantized with L2 star and they gives form J2 star, and its value is half integral value. Okay, these J1 and J2 star are termed in quantized with respect to each other to form resultant capital J. Takes integral values only, that is J1 star is equal to L1 star plus S1 star. Therefore, J2 star is equal to L2 star plus S2 star. The resultant is capital J star is equal to J1 star plus J2 star. The JJ coupling scheme are represented in following diagram. We have to show in book this diagram. We already shown in last article. This S1 and S2 star takes L1, L2 star. Okay, L1 and L2 star. These are quantized with J1 and J2 star. The total angular momenta is J1 star plus J2 star to form a capital J star. This is the side view of the JJ coupling, and this is the top view. This is J1. How to create? Quantized with S1 with L1. Create J1. J2 quantized with S2 with L2. Create J2. J1 plus J2 quantized with capital J star. Okay. This is the JJ coupling. Now let's take one example. What is example? Consider PD configuration. This is important example. PD configuration. First of all, give the first electron for the P electron. Find the value of L1 and S1. What is the L1? P means 1. What is the value of S1? 1 by 2. This is the half integral. How to form J1? Put this formula. J1 is equal to L1 plus S1. What is the value of L1? 1 plus half. What is the value of J1? 3 by 2. 2 into 1. 2. 2 plus 1. This is 3 by 2. And last value is, yes, 1 by 2. This is the value of P configuration. 3 by 2 and 1 by 2. Therefore, J1 is equal to 1 by 2 and 3 by, this is the value of J1. Same as for D configuration. For the D electron, what is the value of L2? D means 2 and S2 means half, because of half integral. Okay, find the value of J2. Formula is L2 plus S2. What is our L2? Value of L2? 2 plus 1 by 2. 2 into 2, 4. 4 plus 1, 5 by 2. And last value is 3 by 2. Using this formula, J is equal to L minus S, comma L minus S plus 1, sorry, mod of L minus S plus 1 to mod of L plus S. Using this formula, we have to find out the value of J2. We have already calculated in last lecture. Okay. The value of J2 is, therefore, J2 is equal to 3 by 2 and 5 by 2. We have to find the value of J1, 1 by 2 and 3 by 2. What is the value of J2? 3 by 2 and 5 by 2. Combining these four values, combining these four values of J in all possible ways. First one is J1 is equal to 1 by 2, J2 is equal to 3 by 2. Putting this value in this formula, J1 plus J2 is equal to 1 by 2 plus 3 by 2. What is the value of 1 by 2 and 3 by 2? 8 by 4. What is 8 by 4? 2 into 2, 4. Cross multiply 2 into 1, 2. 2 into 6. How many? 6. We have calculated this value. The denominator is 4. 2 into 1, 2 plus 6. What is? 8 by 4. The value of J1 plus J2 is 8 by 4 is equal to 8. 4 into 2. Value of 2. Okay. Same as second combination. This is first combination. This is second combination. J1 is equal to 1 by 2 and J2 is equal to 5 by 2. This and this, we have to combine four values in this way. What is the value of J? J is equal to, sorry, J1 plus J2 is equal to 1 by 2 plus 5 by 2. Base 4, 2 plus 10 means 12 by 4 means 3. This is the value of J, capital J 1 and 2. Then when therefore J is equal to 2 and 3. Below is 2. This below is 1. This is the second combination. Then third combination. J1 is equal to 3 by 2 and J2 is equal to 3 by 2. Okay. This and this value. What is the value of J1 plus J2. What is the value? 3 by 2 plus 3 by 2. The value is 6 by 2. The value is 3. Okay. Therefore, J is equal to 0, 1, 2 and 3. The maximum value is 3. Below value 2, 1 and 0. Okay. Then last combination, J is equal to 3 by 2 and J2 is equal to 5 by 2. Put the value J1 plus J2, 3 by 2 plus 5 by 2. The value is 8 by 2 means 4. Therefore, capital J is equal to 1 comma 3 comma 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4. Maximum value is 4. Minimum value is 1. This is the value of J. There are how many values? 12 values. This is 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 plus 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. There are 12 values giving the same number after arriving in the ELS coupling scheme. The vector diagram of PD electron. Vector diagram of PD electron in JJ coupling are shown in following figure. First one is value of J1 is equal to half and J2 is equal to 3 by 2. First combination. How to draw vector diagram? This is the value of, this is the vector notation. What is the value of first combination? 1 and 2. This is 2 and this is 1 vector. This is J2 star and this is J1 star. Okay. Combine these values or connect these vectors like the value of first combination J1 is equal to half, J2 is equal to 3 by 2. The value of J is equal to 1 comma 2. Same as second combination. Second combination is that what is J2 star? This is J1 star. How many value? 0, 1, 2, 3. This is 3. This is 2. This is 1. And this is 0. Means 0, 1, 2, 3. Connect the vectors. The J1 value is equal to 3 by 2 and J2 value is equal to 3 by 2. First value is 0. J is equal to 0, comma 1, comma 2, comma 3. Okay. This is the first combination. This is second combination. This is third combination. What is the third combination? J1 is equal to 1 by 2 and J2 is equal to 5 by 2. Draw the vector diagram. This is J2 star. This is J1 star. How many values? Only 2 values. 2 and 3 values. This is 3. This is 2. Connect these vectors. What is the value of J1 is equal to 1 by 2. J2 is equal to 5 by 2. The value of J is equal to capital J is equal to 2 comma. And this is third combination. And this is last combination, fourth combination. What is the value of J1? 3 by 2. and 5 by 2. Okay, draw the vector diagram. This is J2 star, this is J1 star. How many vectors? 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 4, this is 3, this is 2, and this is 1. Connect all vectors. The value of J1 is equal to 3 by 2 and J2 is equal to 5 by 2. The value of capital J is 1, 2, 3 and 4. These are the vector diagrams of JJ coupling.